Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a minestrone soup using very small soup pasta, very small shells. It's a vegan recipe. You could put bacon in it, but today we're just going to keep it vegan, vegetarian. We're going to be using the Ninja Soup Maker again. So I'll go through all the ingredients and let's see how it turns out. So we've cut up a very large carrot there into quite small pieces. We've got 2 celery sticks chopped up into quite small pieces of 2. We have 2 cloves of garlic that have been grated. We have 1 very large red onion chopped up quite small. We've got 100 grams of very small pasta shells. We have 1 tin of cannellini beans that were in water. I've drained them, I've rinsed them. We also have a tin of chopped tomatoes. We have some tomato puree and 1 vegetable stock cube. So we've got the Ninja Soup Maker here. I'm going to remove the lid. Quite a good seal on that. Put that to one side. And we're going to start adding the ingredients. First of all, I'm going to add all of the onions. There we go. That's all the onions. Next, we'll add the chopped up celery. And also the chopped carrot. It's quite hard to not spill any. And also the garlic. Next, I'm going to add the cannellini beans and the chopped tomatoes. Those. I'm now just going to give it a little squirt of tomato puree. It says a tablespoon, but that'll do. 1 vegetable stock cube. And then I'm going to add 100 grams of the small soup pasta. Okay, last thing to do now is to fill up the water to this line here, which is the max fill hot line. There we go. And then we're going to put the lid back on and lock it into place. It's going to be a chunky soup, so we're going to hit the chunky soup function in a moment. The reason I put the pasta last, because I don't really want the pasta to be blended at all during the cycle. And that way it will just cook the pasta rather than chop it. So on we go. We're going to hit chunky soup. And off it goes. 30-minute timer. We'll come back and we'll dish it up. And there we go, all done. And look at that, lovely minestrone soup. The pasta's cooked perfectly. Can't wait to tuck in. A nice, thick, hearty soup. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave any comments down below and make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any more future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.